No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. No girl can't see me and start problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me I take your
Hey queens, welcome back to another video on my wonderful channel. So this is actually like the third time I'm filming my intro, and that's absolutely like, that's terrible. So today I'm gonna be doing, before I get started, I just want to say that right now I'm giving Ice Me Out vibe. As y'all can see, I'm giving Barbie vibe, I'm giving Platinum vibe, like y'all could already see. But today I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing slash hair review by the company HairSpells. If you guys never heard of this company, I'll leave all their information down below. They were kind enough to send me a 16-inch Cambodian deep wave. So yeah, if you guys want to see like my first impression and my unboxing and review of this hair, then please continue to watch. And the best part, if you guys want $10 off your first purchase or your next purchase, then use the code QUEEN and you will get your $10 off. So don't forget to use the code QUEEN, or else you're gonna have to pay that $10. So I suggest you use the code. I'm gonna be unboxing the hair that they sent me, so yeah. Okay, so let's get right into the video. I wanted to like open it on camera. So yeah, this is the package, and I'm not gonna flip the other side because y'all gonna want to stalk me or whatever. I'm watching out. But yeah, we're gonna get into the actual like opening. Alright, I'm gonna close my eye. Nah, it's not Christmas, guys. Like, I always act like everything's Christmas. Ooh. Let's see what we got going on. So they got this cute little packaging. It says HairSpells, 100% virgin hair, and then they have their website at the bottom. But already I'm getting a great impression from them because like the packaging is so cute. So yeah, it just has their, you know, little logo. So we're gonna get started on, oh, I'm like super excited. Ooh, what's this? Wait, well, hold up. So this comes with lashes, and they're super duper long and cute. I'm definitely gonna wear it. It says 100% human hair. So, ooh, my hair's shedding. Okay, not good. But yeah, they come with lashes. Okay, HairSpells, I see what we got going on. So, time for the big reveal. Anyways, they come with this like this little thingy, and the best part is right here, which is the hair. Okay, so we finna get started with this. So this is the 16-inch Cambodian hair, and it's a deep wave. And I never like had Cambodian hair. I've always had like Brazilian or Malaysian or Peruvian, like the basics. Never actually heard or had Cambodian hair, so I'm pretty excited. Like, oh, y'all, before I even opened this, like before I unravel this, I could see the quality of the lip. Y'all know how much y'all know how much I love great quality like lace, and it's pre-plucked. It's pre-plucked. Nah, this can't be. I'm finna cry. Like, I just love, oh my Jesus. Alright, so let's unravel the actual beauty of the hair. Yo, these curls are amazing. Nah, this was unexpected. So this is what really caught my attention, like the quality of the lace and the fact that it has the right amount of baby hairs and like it's pre-plucked. That's what really caught my attention. Okay, so this is a frontal wig. And I never had a frontal wig before, so I'm super excited to put this on my head. But like, nah, this is crazy. So this is how like the front of it looks. And I'm a big, like, I focus a lot on the lace, because if the lace is like too thick, or if it's not plucked right, or if there isn't like enough baby hairs, I'm gonna die. So, but this right here is like so beautiful, and you could part it anywhere. I feel like it's a free part. I'm probably gonna have to like pluck it a little bit, but I'm so scared. I don't want to like comb out the curls or loose out the curls, but these curls are so amazing. This is how the inside of it looks. Like, you can see how good the lace is. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I really like the quality of like the front, like the lace. And the curls feel so smooth. You know how sometimes you get like curly hair and it's kind of like too coarse or whatever? This is curly and it feels really silky. Guys, I'm in love. Like, oh my god. And I love curly hair too. So this, y'all, HairSpells, this was a great choice to send me because I really love curly hair. But yes, the lace is amazing. I love that the baby hairs and like, ooh, I cannot wait to put this on. I'm telling y'all, I cannot wait to put this. Yo, I might mess around and throw this over my head, but like, that's kind of dumb. But guys, let's see. Let me see if 16 inches is actually enough. Cause I like long hair. It's obviously not gonna look like that. Hopefully it's like long enough. Yo, I really cannot wait to put this wig on. I'm definitely doing a hair installment on this wig, so stay tuned for that video. I don't know what else I could say, but I just love this hair. I love that the part, like on some wigs, the part only stops like up to here, like halfway, but the part goes like all the way back. Yo, the curls, I'm still on the curls, bro. Like, it's amazing. So guys, from a scale of 1 to 5, no, from a scale of 1 to 10, bro, I'm giving this a 20. Like, bro, I'm giving this a 20. And I love my baby hairs, and I love my lace, and I love like how when you apply a wig or like a frontal, it looks like it's actually melting in your hair. So like when I apply this wig, y'all gonna see the melting. Y'all are definitely gonna see the melting. I'm not even chucking. I'm not fronting. I'm not putting on no front. If a hair was really bad, I would tell y'all hair is bad. But this hair is absolutely amazing. Like, I cannot even stop touching it. And there's clips in the back. There is an elastic at the back so that you can adjust it if it doesn't fit your head. And yo, I'm telling y'all, like I said before, if a hair was bad, I would tell y'all it was bad and to not buy from there. But HairSpells, I'm super duper impressed with you guys and your hair. I'm definitely gonna like buy more wigs from there, and you definitely should too. And don't forget, for that $10 off, use the code QUEEN to get that $10 off, because ain't nobody want to pay full price. So yeah, use the code and you guys may get this for $10 off, or any other wigs or any other hairs that you see on the website. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on my little mannequin baby, and I'm gonna fix this up right just for my head. But if you guys enjoyed this video, by the way, HairSpells, I'm super duper impressed with the quality of your hair. I don't regret this collaboration with you guys because the hair is amazing. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any other video requests, don't forget to comment down below. And most importantly, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.